This video is for plastic surgeons and dermatologists. Here is an announcement. ISHR, the world-renowned training academy for hair restoration, is conducting two-day workshop at Bhopal. So plastic surgeons and dermatologists in Bhopal city and from Madhya Pradesh, those who are interested to enroll for this advanced two-day workshop in hair restoration, there are only seats for 2 to 3 doctors for this workshop. They can WhatsApp at the below number to know the course detail, curriculum details, fees and duration, and the faculty details. So on 24th and 25th of September 2025, we have two-day workshop at Arera Colony, Bhopal. Top faculty of plastic surgeons, regenerative physicians, critical care physicians and dermatologists are coming to Bhopal from headquartered Mumbai to conduct 2 days workshop into hair restoration. So get yourself certified in hair restoration. This is a huge opportunity to kickstart your division of hair restoration. So for dermatologists, plastic surgeons, one should add a hair restoration division into your practice. It's high in demand all over the India, whether tier 2 cities, 3 cities or metro. There's a demand for highly qualified, highly skilled, safe surgeons and dermatologists who can deliver excellent quality results. ISHR, an affiliate of World Society of Hair Restoration Surgery (WSHRS), conducts these workshops all across the globe. ISHR is headquartered in Mumbai, and plastic surgeons and dermatologists from across the world, America, UK, Europe, Singapore, Morocco, UAE, Africa, have been coming to the headquarters Mumbai to get advanced training. But this is very personalized training, one-on-one training. If you want to know what it all takes to set up your hair transplant center, what is required to set up a minor OT, what sort of instruments you require, what is the scenario of Bhopal, Indore and surrounding city of hair restoration, how can you position yourself well, what sort of technicians and manpower you require, what sort of a revenue and profits you can accept once you start a hair transplant division. So whether you're a plastic surgeon, dermatologist or you're an owner of a hospital, you can add this division of hair restoration because baldness is virtually an epidemic. There's a huge demand for this field. Take this opportunity, kickstart your learning. Of course, if you want to do the advanced training, you're most welcome to come to Mumbai for a long fellowship program. So to know more details, and remember, just 2-3 doctors will be invited for this workshop because as you know, it's a very personalized workshop. Thank you. Contact the numbers below to know more details.